Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I'm going to be looking at the new channels selection feature, which Google recently added to Demand Gen. This is in beta, I believe it's open beta. So if you have a rep, you can ask for access to this, I believe. If not now, then certainly soon. But anyway, what is the feature? So inside of Demand Gen, up until now, you didn't have any choice in which channels the ads would run in. Now, obviously, if you're running display ads versus video ads, then they're only going to run on particular placements that are appropriate. But outside of that, you didn't have any specific control. And that's what Google's introducing here. So this is something you can set at the ad group level. So within a campaign, you can have specific channels for different ad groups, which is nice. Without further ado, I will show you. So in this case, it's actually a campaign I'm running for 10,000 Foot View for the agency to get more video exposure and subscribers as I grow the channel. So in this case, if I were to select all Google channels, which is now the default, then it will run on all native inventory, which is all of like Google's inventory. Then you have the option to add Google Display Network. And by the way, Google Display Network was not available until this update. I personally don't generally recommend running the Google Display Network. I mean, one of the whole reasons to be on Demand Gen instead of a display campaign is to be on the higher quality inventory. But if you want to be aggressive and get more exposure, then by all means, you can select that. But beyond doing these two things, then if you choose, you can then select which specific channels to be on. So in this case, I'm running on YouTube InStream and YouTube InFeed. I'm not running on Shorts because I don't have an appropriately formatted video that I feel that I'd want to run it on Shorts. And then Discover, which is the news feed, Google News Feed. Gmail is obviously Gmail. And then interestingly enough, they give you Google Display Network here again. So that means you can do all plus Display Network this way. You could do basically select them all here as well, which is identical, which is interesting. But this is what I'm going with here. And that's basically it. We are, by the way, supposed to get channel reporting soon. So that we can actually see our KPIs by channel, which will make this tool way more useful because we'd be able to run it wide open for a couple of weeks, a month, and then analyze performance and see, oh, you know what, like Gmail is really, really bad performance. We're throwing money at it and getting nothing. So you could disable that channel and continue running on the other. So I think it'll be much more powerful at that point. But even now, if you really want to be on a specific channel, good old days of only running Gmail ads, right? I mean, you can do it now, which is kind of cool. So pretty simple one today. This is in beta, but I think it's something that they're definitely going to roll out to everybody very soon. So that is it for today. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you next time.